Welcome back to today's Daily Report Market Analysis videos with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Hantec on Monday the 17th of February. Looking at Euro-Dollar, where we've seen again Euro-Dollar just edging higher in the European session. Now, this has been a feature of trading throughout the past 2 weeks, throughout this decisive downtrend, which has broken the market to new multi-year lows dating back to 2017. Every day, pretty much every day, we've seen intraday rallies that have been sold into and sharply sold into pretty much into the close on a consistent basis. We saw it once more on Friday. The actual rally got to 108.60 from a reaction of 108.30, so about 30 pips of recovery. And I discussed this on Friday actually, that around about 25, 30, maybe 40 pips of recovery tend to be the limit before the selling pressure comes back in again. Now, is this a point at which we see that again? 108.30, so the market's only up 15 pips at the moment, but again, is this a selling opportunity? Now, I believe that at some stage the euro will engage in quite a sharp technical rally, and the reason behind that is because of the fact that 23, 24 on the RSI was where we saw into the close on Friday. That is pulling some significant oversold position. You haven't seen that sort of level of oversold on the RSI since May 2018. And this is a very, very rare event that even the RSI gets below 30. So it is stretched, it is oversold, and I think that ultimately every time previously that we get to 230, you see that the market quite strongly rallies. Now, you haven't seen that coming through yet, but I think at some stage you're likely to see quite a sizable technical rally, and you might even see that rally pulling quite strongly through to sort of 109.80 area again on a near to medium term basis. So you could see quite a sizable technical rally. However, at the moment the market is still in this phase of selling into strength. Now, intraday strength, that is. You haven't really seen any positive candles of any real note. You saw this marginal positive candle early last week, but that got sold into. And you can see here on the hourly chart, there is all pretty much on a consistent basis daily breakdowns and then resistance coming in at lower levels, breakdowns of support and then resistance coming in to find support at lower level, to find resistance at lower levels. Now, we've got the resistance coming in at 108.90. that was from Thursday's reaction high, and now 108.63, which was that Wednesday to Thursday's low, became resistance on Friday. So if you get above 108.65 on a decisive basis, that improves the outlook. If you get above 108.90, that really would suggest perhaps we're starting to build the momentum for a technical rally. Now, at the moment we haven't seen any real decisive improvement in momentum, but the RSI is above 50. That started to come through on Friday. Now the market, if that RSI starts to get above 60, then we can start to see potential for a recovery, I think. But look, just at the moment, it's still in the realms of little technical rallies being sold into. MACD lines as well, if they start to go above neutral consistently, would that start to suggest that we're into recovery territory? So we're looking for this downtrend to be broken as a first sign. Then we're looking for 108.65 to be broken on the upside, as because you haven't really seen a technical rally, what was that, just by a pip on Tuesday into Wednesday. We saw a higher daily high formed, but ultimately we've seen consistent run of lower daily highs, and can we start to see a turnaround? So Euro-Dollar is at an interesting stage. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.